Chevrolet's 2019 Silverado 1500 featured an impressive all-new design built from the ground up with aggressive angles and head-turning style that's beautifully complemented when transformed with Rough Country's 6-inch suspension lift. This kit lifts and levels your vehicle for a commanding stance and enough clearance to run 35-inch tall by 12.5-inch wide tires, all while retaining the stock track width, allowing for up to a 10-inch wide wheel with 4.5-inch backspacing. Each kit includes front and rear crossmembers and a skid plate for enhanced chassis strength, as well as cast steel knuckles for incredible durability and performance. Rough Country has engineered this kit to provide optimal suspension geometry while retaining the factory ride quality, giving you enhanced off-road capabilities without sacrificing the handling and smooth ride that makes this truck so impressive.